What is Resurge weight loss supplement? Resurge Diet Pills is a new weight loss formula and sleep support supplement developed by Dr. John Barban with %100 natural ingredients without any side effects. Resurge Pills provides a phenomenal weight loss solution to anyone seeking to lose weight, delay unwanted aging and live and enjoy a healthy lifestyle. The Resurge Pills are perfect for those who are deprived of regenerative sleep, which is known to heal the body, repair tissues and cells, and ensure the proper functioning of the body. Resurge supplements are helpful, especially these days when technology robs people of a healthy lifestyle and steals their sleep. Resurge Pills surfaces as the main arrangement that offers dietary assistance along the counter-maturing lines. It underpins weight reduction, metabolic lull, and obstinate midsection fat. The scaffold to these advantages is a characteristic of 8 unique natural supplements. These are very much looked into and put in a solid mix that offers careful measures of every fixing that are experimentally demonstrated. Benefits of this deep sleep, HGH support formula. There are numerous benefits in regards to taking this supplement. Increases energy. One of the key benefits besides weight loss is the ability for it to help boost energy levels. This formula does this by helping to increase metabolic activity. This supplement may help convert excess fat into energy. Weight loss. This formula has proven itself to greatly help individuals that are looking to lose weight and build confidence. Improved digestion. This formula may actually improve metabolism. With that comes improved digestion. Improved sleep. This formula is designed in such a way that I can provide users with much restful and deep sleep. Does Resurge Diet Pills work? Resurge Diet Pills is ideal for those who have tried different weight loss options but to no avail, and those who are tired of doing intense workout exercises, waking up the next morning feeling so tired and with little energy. Resurge Reviews helps in rejuvenating the body by helping individuals lose weight each and every night. The amazing effectiveness of John Barban Resurge Pills is made possible by its powerful natural Resurge ingredients. Resurge ingredients is %100 natural and safe for your health. It's approved by FDA agency, so you can purchase or buy Resurge supplement online %100 risk-free. Pros and cons of this supplement. Pros: this supplement is truly clinically tested and GMP awarded. It is lab tested with 0 side effects when taken as directed. Curbs unhealthy food cravings. It helps detoxify the body. Mood booster. It helps to improve users' moods. It can help reset the hormonal balance. Cortisol is controlled, and that means belly fat deposits may be diminished. Easy to take. Capsules are easy to swallow. Terrific 60-day money-back guarantee. Contains only natural ingredients. Amazing restful deep sleep. Helps balances the metabolism through deep sleep. Cons: cannot buy offline. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should not take this supplement. Click the link in the description to find more details and get the product. Thank you for watching.